Welcome guys. Today I am going about 5 effective ways to earn money online. First of all, I need your subscribe. Please subscribe for more content.
One, freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular choice for many individuals seeking online income. With freelancing, you can offer your skills and expertise to clients across the globe, working on a project basis. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with businesses and individuals looking for specific services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media marketer, freelancing provides a flexible way to monetize your skills. By creating a compelling profile, showcasing your portfolio, and actively bidding on projects, you can build a client base and establish a steady stream of income.
2. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces provide an avenue for entrepreneurs to sell products and services directly to consumers. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy have revolutionized e-commerce, enabling individuals to start their online stores with relative ease. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, these marketplaces offer a ready-made customer base and robust infrastructure for sales and distribution. Through effective product listings, competitive pricing, and strategic marketing, you can build a profitable online business and tap into a vast global market.
3. Affiliate marketing. Approximately 200 words. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows individuals to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareZale. By sharing unique affiliate links and driving traffic to the merchant's website, you can earn a percentage of each sale generated through your referrals. Building a successful affiliate marketing business requires selecting the right niche, creating valuable content, and implementing effective promotional strategies. With dedication and persistence, affiliate marketing can provide a passive income stream as your audience grows.
4. Online courses and digital products. If you possess specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses and digital products can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad offer tools and resources to develop and market your educational content. Whether it's teaching a foreign language, providing coding tutorials, or sharing self-improvement resources, you can package your knowledge into digital products that cater to a global audience. By leveraging your expertise, building a brand, and employing effective marketing techniques, you can generate a significant income while helping others acquire valuable skills.